cocoa powder and dark chocolate really are superfoods. I'm not just wishful thinking. They really are. They are really packed with polyphenols, which are anti-inflammatory, and polyphenols can also help lower blood sugar, improve your cholesterol numbers, really just fantastic and nourishing for your body. And cocoa powder specifically has flavonols in it, and flavonols are amazing because they actually help reduce your risk of heart attack and stroke. Now for this part, ladies, mix it slowly because I went crazy earlier and just went in hard and it went like an explosion of cocoa. So go slow. Yeah, so flavonols actually reduce your risk of heart attack and stroke because they physically relax your arteries and vessels to increase your blood flow. So I thought that was pretty amazing to learn that cocoa powder is full of flavonols that reduce your risk of heart attack and stroke.